You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Do we have some things to celebrate today? Holy Lyft. Lyft traded up to 26 this morning, 23 last, guys. Welcome everybody to Masters in Trading Live. Masters in Trading Live. I get on here every day the market's open, 11 a.m. Eastern time, to go over the market, share some thoughts, and once in a while we'll share a trade of the day. Guys, we made a deal, didn't we? The deal was, if the live video gets 100 likes, whenever the live video gets 100 likes, I'm going to share a trade on the next day's live. Well, yesterday we got 135 likes, so thank you guys very much. We will absolutely be sharing a trade. I actually got to my desk an hour early because I had to do some research because I owe you guys another trade. So thank you very much. Leave those likes. Whenever we get over 100 likes, we will absolutely be sharing a trade the next day. That's my agreement with you for the rest of the year. All right, guys, a lot to go over today. We're going to go over to the screen right now, and we're going to start talking about Lyft. Let me get in the chat, guys. Let me get a why. Are you long Lyft? Did you make money in Lyft? Let's just get a why so anybody that watches knows that this is not nonsense. We are actually sharing some really good stuff here. All right, here we go, guys. Screen share. 3 weeks ago, I put out this video. Why Lyft is about to surge. And what did it do? Geez, since this video came out 3 weeks ago, Lyft traded as low as $13.50 after its earnings. It turned so sharply. We are long Lyft, or we have been long Lyft in pretty much all of our programs. You guys have been long Lyft. I love the yeses, the hell yeses, making money, guys. I am so absolutely thrilled for you. Glockenspiels all the way around. Lyft was just an awesome trade. I'm going to go through and show you some really cool returns and some comments from the community. And sit tight. We're going to have a trade today, just like we shared a trade yesterday. We'll go over that trade as well. You can see everybody here just making bank on their Lyft. E-Train, 36K, 150%. 150%, $3,200 in profits. Really, really cool stuff. Ericsson, 763%. John, 650%, guys. In for 80 cents, out at $6. Danger Cat, get on Prince, Lyft, 740%. Still holding 4 more contracts. And then this was from YouTube yesterday. I haven't lost yet on any of your picks. Wish I had the 4K a month to join. This service is not 4K a month. Guys, investorplace.com/challenge 2025. You can try out the service. You can get behind the Discord for under $100. It's definitely not 4K a month. Promise you that. I wanted to share this, guys, because this is so freaking special, and I'm so proud to read this. I'm a small trader, and some of the numbers I hear in the Discord make my head spin. In July, personally, it was going to be rough to come up with a 5K to renew. That's the year service for all access. So he was going to cancel. Days later came the lifetime access offer, and I literally spent 2 days thinking about it and decided to go for it on July 18th. Even with my smaller size trades, when I sold Lyft, I just covered the $10,000 lifetime access fee in literally 2 months. This to me is crazy. Thank you, Jonathan, and the people in this room who I definitely listen to. Thank you so much. This is unbelievable. In 2 weeks, he made all that money back. So I am so thrilled for you. I also want to share this. Rick has been with me for 5 years, guys. Honestly, after following a few others who claim to be great traders, There is simply no other person I have found who is more transparent, more comprehensive, and better at actually showing people only good trades, but why it's a good trade, enabling them to work their way up to discovering good trades on their own. I have been with you for years. Jonathan, I could say without hesitation that the only reason I haven't made more money is because of my own mistakes. Over trading, position sizing, overweighting certain trades. All things that you consistently caution against. This is so important. 10 traders will get 10 different results with the same trade. And then for Masters in Trading, this is not a trading service. It is a learning opportunity. If you're willing to learn, your outcomes will reflect that. And if you're not willing to learn, your outcomes will reflect that as well. So Rick, this is awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this as well. Brian, just know for every one of the guys, you have 100 cheering you on. Just to let you know, I'm up over 500% on something that I'll let you know when it expires. And then E-Train here as well. I've learned so much from the brief time that I've been with you, and I cannot thank you enough. So thank you. I'm going to share a trade. We shared a trade yesterday, but guys, this is too good not to share because it's contemporaries of yours doing the exact same thing. I also want to celebrate that a couple of months ago, I was invited to join Investor Place, one of the top financial publications in the world. I joined Louis Navalier, Eric Fry, and Luke Lango. And hey, look who it is. That's me. KC put this in our Discord yesterday, and this is so sweet. I think you are awesome. I've been with you for a few months, and I've allocated a small part of my overall portfolio. Once I get comfortable, I can add more money. I've been a client of Louis Navalier since 1986, and to have you join the Investor Place platform with him and Luke, I think is one of the highest compliments. So do I. I was blown away when I was invited. So I'm here for the long haul to learn, diversify my strategies, have some fun, and let's make some money. Thank you all for the hard work that you do. Casey, thank you so much for sharing. This was beautiful, and also to hear from somebody who's been with Louis Navalier since 1986, that is a form of just, we're doing good things here, guys. So thank you so much for sharing. One more. John, my advice, take a deep breath. Don't make things so complicated. You can do what you want, but I've found this to be the easiest and most simple system I've come across in 25 plus years. I've made more money since July 1st than any other option service because Jonathan's method instills confidence without confusion, without complexity. John, thank you very much for sharing. This is awesome. James says JR is the best options trader at Investor Place ever. He's been with Investor Place since 2019. So thank you. I hope you guys don't mind me boasting a little bit, but really, I'm just sharing the feedback from traders in our community. I'm just trying to be as transparent as possible. All right, guys, let's get into the trade. So yesterday, we got over 100 likes, and because we got over 100 likes, we shared a trade in NXT. I am extremely, extremely bullish NXT. It seems like people are already in the money on this trade. I am thrilled for you. With NXT, guys, the reason I like this trade is because I like a long-term hold in NXT. But the trade that I'm going to share with you guys today, it's the opposite of a long-term hold. This is going to be a shorter-term hold, and it's going to be a shorter-term hold in ticker symbol, quantum name, QBTS. Some of you guys follow this quantum name, but why are we going to get involved? Well, this morning, today, guys, today, $4 million in call activity today on the first 90 minutes of trade. $4 million in calls, no money in puts. Okay? So what can we do? Well, for one, this is very, very, very bullish. I'm going to pull up qubits. Now, we have Fed today. The market is going to move today. 2 days until expiration. I'm not going to share a trade 2 days into expiration, although I don't think that they're terrible. I really don't think that they're terrible, and any bullish outlook or bullish move will get these in the money, but I don't want to go September, guys. I want to be in October. October? All right, let's consider these 22s. Now, if a trader buys the 22 strike, and let's say they buy it for $159, it's $159 of risk per contract. So again, I like buying the 22 strike in October. There's 30 days to go until expiration. And once you get long, think of it like you're long from 22 plus $1.59. So you're really long from $23.59, but you have nice leverage to be long. A lot of folks, I love that you guys are long QBTS. If you are long QBTS, enjoy the ride. You don't have to do anything because you're just compiling your risk by doing this trade if you already have that risk on. So there you have it, guys. That's the trade for today. Yesterday, we shared NXT, Nextracker. It's nice. It looks like some people are already up money on this NXT trade. And then today, QBTS. We are buying the 22 strike in QBTS. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the thumbs up, subscribe. What we always do now is we branch off to our all access group. Those are the ones in our Discord, and those are the ones where we go over our open portfolio. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Thanks for watching.